Yo, I got a dono for 50. So I'm staying true to my word. I'm going to get a phone. Okay, shut up. The future best country singer in the world. The woman who's friends with George Strait. We're all sick. We all caught a sickness. Let's go with. How do they get in? Oh. How the fuck did she get in? Okay. I suppose. The AI war is making us sick. It's the literal rapture, where if you don't take care of yourself, you're gonna die. If you can't embody Christ consciousness, you're gonna deteriorate until you're dead. You have to raise your vibration. Teachings of the good healing. You have to not be so possessive of others. Because I'm right here. Stay up. I'd rather freeze. It's a bus. Let's take a bus ride. Now we're going to take an hour and a half bus ride. God, it's cold.